everyone! Today we're learning how to do a book review. Here is an example of a book review left on Amazon. The reader gave the book 5 stars. Then they gave a reason why. They said, "Need I say more? He loves this book and will act out the parts while I read it." So she gave the rating and then explained why she gave it 5 stars. We are going to do our own book reviews. You need to start with a book. Then you'll read the book, review it, and post on Seesaw. I've got my book. No, David. After you've read the book, you'll fill out your paper copy of your book review. First, I'll write my name. Start it with, I read No, David. And I just looked at the book to see how to spell it. Next, you'll continue filling out your book review. How do you feel about the book? I really liked this book, so I'm circling the happy face. Draw your favorite part of the book. My favorite part was the end when David's mom or dad says that they love them. And I like that part because it shows they care. Now you have your review all filled out. The last thing you'll do is post it on Seesaw. First, you'll take a picture of your book review, and then you'll record yourself explaining your book review. Here's an example. The book I read was No, David. I liked this book. At first, I couldn't believe how much trouble David was getting into. But at the end, his mom still loved him no matter what. That's why I liked this book. Once you've posted on Seesaw, you've completed your book review. Look for your teacher to leave a comment.